Whoa, yo, what is up, guys? Today I've got something special for you. Yum Thai salad versus English breakfast fusion bomb mix. Okay, guys, so here's our ingredients to make our yum breakfast angrit. Okay, so we've got our Chinese celery, we've got shallot, a couple of eggs, a lime, some mushrooms, bacon obviously, some stevia, a couple of eggs, some fish sauce, tomatoes, tomato puree, some chili and some garlic. Okay, so that's everything we need to make our dish, so let's get cooking. So yeah, the bacon's gone into empty pan with no oil and that, obviously because the bacon's a nice fatty piece and we're going to get enough fat from that. Oh god, bacon, how good is bacon, guys? Absolutely lovely, you can't go wrong with bacon. Oh, that smells so good. As you can see, bacon's coming on lovely. Let's give that a flip over now, I think. Okay guys, so I'm going to take these out now, but leave one piece in there to get extra super crispy, and then you'll find out why later. So yeah, here's the bacon. I'm just going to leave it on the plate to cool off. And we'll get this bit a little bit crispier. Okay, there we go. This bit's crispy enough now. So yeah, there we go. Here's our bacon and our super crispy bit of bacon. And now time to cook the eggs. And there we go. So we got the eggs just cooking in the bacon fat now. Hopefully it's not going to splatter everywhere. It's always a problem when you're using oil. Just adding some of the oil on the top. Cook the top of the egg a little. Don't want it too much. You still want a little bit of runny yolk. I think that's probably enough. And it's probably going to be a bit crispy on the bottom of this one, and you might be like, oh my god, there's too much. But it's a Thai fusion dish, and when Thais cook fried eggs, they normally have a super fried, crispy bottom. Anyway, on the eggs, obviously, not on their actual bottoms of their themselves, because that'd be weird. Well, they might do. I've never inspected, but yeah, probably not. Okay, I'm just gonna take out the fried eggs now. Difficult doing this one-handed with your phone. Oosh. And there we go. So we're just going to wait for that to cool down a little bit, and now we're going to get on with the rest of the food. Okay guys, so here's our mushrooms. We're just going to put them now into the pan as well. Smells so good, guys, especially with all the bacon fat in there. And the mushrooms are just going to soak up all that lovely bacony, fatty flavour. Oh, so good. Just get a little bit of colour on them now. Okay guys, there we go. We're just going to add them back onto our plate. Doosh, like so. And then get on with the rest. Okay guys, so we're just going to cut up our vegetables now. We got our fruit even, because tomatoes are fruit, not vegetables. So just going to give them a cut into about 3 pieces each side now. And make sure you wash your fruit first, wash your vegetables first, like so. If you're picky, you can cut that bit off, but I'm not too bothered. Okay, this is our Chinese celery. I'm just going to chop that up and put that in a bowl. Obviously, again, wash your stuff first, guys. Okay, so we got that there. We're going to add this to the bowl. And here are our lovely chilies. So we're just going to give them a little chop now. So yeah, I've got 4 here. It's not going to be too spicy. It's just going to be like a little bit little bit of a twang, but not too much. Okay, so we got that there. We got our garlic now. Okay, so I'm just gonna crush that like that, crush that like that, and give them a little chop. There we go. It's a shallot. Don't call it a Charlotte or something. It's really annoying when people say that. Charlotte. It's a shallot, mate. Shallot. Okay, so just gonna get rid of all of this bit here. You don't want the skin in it now. Okay. And we're just gonna put this into like a little thin slices like this. Be careful with your fingers here. And again. And bosh, there we go. Yes, guys, so yeah, we got the tomatoes in here, yeah? And obviously we don't normally fry them with the salad, but it's the English breakfast version. So I put some of them in here. We're just going to fry them in the leftover bacon fat still. And I just want that to get a nice colour on the bottom for some flavour. We don't want them cooked too much because we still want them firm, okay? Okay, guys, I think that's enough. As I said, yeah, you don't want them mushy. You just want a nice bit of flavour on them. Wash them around like that and bosh. And then we're just going to add them to our plate. I'm going to put a couple of pieces in, okay, just like that. Oh, yes, so good, so good. And that is that, guys. That's enough. Okay, guys, so we're just going to go with the lime now. I'm going to use my lime juicer because it is easier. Make sure you get all the juice out there now. Waste not, want not. Okay, so here's our lime juice. Just going to add in our fish sauce now. And then we got our stevia. So just going to add some of that in. And test. A bit more in. Okay, and we got some of our tomato puree. Just going to add a little bit of that now. I showed you all of this, but you only want a tiny amount because it's very strong and you don't want it overpoweringly tomato-y. So just a little bit for some colour like that. That is good. Okay, so here's our chili, garlic and shallots. And I'm just going to add them into the bowl. Just going to try it again. Oh yeah, yummy. Oh, these flavours are just so good now. I think I might put a little bit of fish sauce, a bit more fish sauce. Perfect. Okay, guys, here's the rest of our goody breakfast salad. I'm going to add in the tomatoes now. There's the shallots as well, and the mushrooms. There you go. Give that a mix around. Here's our egg and our bacon. So I'm just gonna cut this up into some pieces. And the same with the bacon. So now we're just gonna add that into our salad. And then here we have our Chinese celery, just to finish off with. Okay, now time to plate up. And here's the crispy piece of bacon. We're just gonna finish it off just like that. Bosh! There you go, guys. Yum breakfast angry English breakfast Thai yum salad style. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. Check it out. Wow, this smells so good. Seriously, you seriously have to make this, yeah? Anyway, let's put it to the taste test. Alright. That is really yummy. Sorry, I must have talking with my mouth full. Anyway, guys, yeah, that is absolutely yummy as hell. I really recommend that you try it, making this original dish made by moi, Andy, StayCoolKeto. So yeah, keto friendly, and it is delicious and just wonderful. Anyway, I'm going to put the macros up here somewhere, and yeah, and the recipe will be down in the description below. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and thanks very much for watching. Take care and stay cool. Cheers. What's up, guys? Today I've got a super cool recipe for you today. Couple of eggs, some bacon, our stevia. That's not bacon, it's mushrooms, you freaking idiot. Okay, guys, here's our lettuce. Or lettuce, it's not lettuce. Okay, please like and subscribe if you did, and thank you very much for whatever.